Hey, Naples vacation condo sellers, your condo did not sell. I feel your pain. Let's work together to price your condo so it will sell. I know having your condo listing just sit on the market for 12 months without a sale was no fun with all the showings and open houses. You were frustrated with the condo market in Florida, which is understandable. The buyer demand is low, whereas inventory is up. The question is, why did other condos in your condo complex sell and your condo did not sell? We will figure out a price to relist your condo so that it will sell. We want to get you back up north to spend more time with your grandkids and move on with your life. Let's walk through the steps picking a price that will get your condo sold. First, we have to take a look at the overall condo market in Naples. First, what we're going to do is look at the condo market in Naples, and what we see is that it peaked in August 2022. So we can't expect to get those prices. The market is not crashing, but we've definitely moved from a seller's market to a buyer's market. Florida Realtors just reported condo market in Naples currently had an 8.6 year-over-year price decline for July 2025. So we will need to price your condo aggressively to get it sold. A price comparison strategy is the best way to pick a price to relist your condo. First, we will look at the median price of condos in your condo complex that did not sell over the last 120 days. Then we will look at the median price of condos in your condo complex that did sell. We're going to make your condo price the obvious best choice for buyers. We're going to look just at condos similar to yours, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a garage in your condo complex. We currently see that there are 8 condos currently on the market in your condo complex with a median ask price of $429,000. We see in your complex that you have had 8 condo listings that expired without selling over the last 120 days with a median ask price of $370,000. Then we saw that there were 2 condos in your condo complex that did sell within the last 120 days with a median sold price of $350,000. Now we know buyer demand is currently for condos in your condo complex at $350,000 or lower. Conclusion, we did an assessment of the current market of Naples condos. It showed a year-over-year price decline for condos. We are definitely in a buyer's market. Sellers had a median ask price in your complex of $429,000. Buyers had a median sold price of $350,000. Sellers are currently pricing their condos $79,000 above what buyers are willing to pay. We also saw that 8 listings did not sell and were removed from the MLS, whereas 2 condos did sell. The condos that did not sell had a median ask price of $370,000, whereas the condos that did sell had a median sold price of $350,000. We see a large price gap of what owners think their condos are worth and what buyers are willing to pay in this buyer's market. Clearly, the price for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a garage in your condo complex is $350,000 or lower based on current market trends. Let's take a look at the Naples MLS just to confirm these numbers. Well, what we're looking at now is the Naples MLS, and we're just looking at condos in Falling Waters, Davis Boulevard, and specifically the 2-bedroom, 2-bath condos with a garage. And we're taking a look at how many are actually on the market and what is the median ask price. So currently we see that there's 7 condos in this category on the market, and we can look at and see what the median ask price for the 2-bedroom two-bath condos with a garage, and we see the median ask price currently for condos is $429,000. Next, we're going to be looking at those condos that actually sold. And we see over the last 120 days, we have two condos of the category two bedroom, two bath with a garage that actually sold. So we want to take a look and see what the sold price was for those condos. We see the condo sale price was $352,000. So we can see there's a big gap between what uh, sellers are asking, in this case, 429, and what buyers are willing to pay. If you find this information interesting and you'd like to have a Zoom call to have your condo reviewed, if you're thinking about putting it on the market, please go to Bob Mangino Sells Naples and request a seller's guide, and I will contact you and we can set up a Zoom call and review your condo in your condo complex. Also, if you found this information interesting, you might check out other videos like this by clicking the video above.